Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Novah brand, their professional men's cordless rechargeable barber clippers and trimmer set and foil shaver. This is the beautiful box it comes in. Very nice presentation. And when you open the box up, you see what's included. And then below that, I'm sure there's a shelf of everything else that's included. Let's take this all out and go over everything. And there's the rest of everything that's in the box. Here's everything that's out of the box. 6 premium guards, variable gauge adjustment head, 4 trimmer guards, Novah foil shaver, and high definition LED display on them, which is great. This product, by the way, gets excellent customer ratings. Customers really love it. Commercial quality set. Tested in some of the best barbershops around the world, and just looking at the quality, testing it, I believe it. See, it's got a complete set. It's got the oil even. It's got a holder to hold everything. The 3 shavers. It's got charging cables, USB-A to their custom adapter, and then USB-A to C for one of the chargers, a comb, and then all these attachments that allow you to trim your beard or your hair. Now, if you ever had one of these before, they are really great to have, and the quality of this is really nice. So let's open this up and let's take a look at this and show you how this works. So here's one of the shavers that's included, and I'm just going to show you right off the bat the quality of this. This has a metal guard clip on there, and this is what allows you to cut your beard or your hair at a certain length, and then you push that on. A lot of anxiety happens when you're using something like this and you're shaving your head or your beard and you're worried about this falling off. Well, this isn't going to happen with this. This is really on there with a very, very solid locking feel. So I'm very confident that's never going to happen. You also have this adjustment piece right here, which allows this to go in and out and changes basically the length of what's sticking out of the tool, and you can experiment to see what works for you. You turn this on, it's got a really cool display on there. I just love that. It gives you the percentage that's left, and there's turbo mode on there. So this is very, very sophisticated. So when you first click this, you don't go fully up, and you get the normal mode, and then you go forward more, and you get the turbo mode. And then it's off like that. Very, very nice. These are all waterproof. And this whole set is a 1-year warranty that's included. Then you have this shaver right here. And same thing, it's got the percentage of HD display, and it has the turbo mode. And this has different attachments also that will lock on there. This is really great. It's very light. This will allow you to really trim your sideburns very precisely. You can just see the engineering of this. And you should oil these before you use them and every time you use them. That's why they included that great oil. Then you have this foil shaver right here. Really, really nice quality. You turn it on right there. And there's a 1 speed on this one, and it gives you a little HD display letting you know what percentage is left. This is the way it came to me, 96%, which is great. I've never seen a foil shaver like this where it has essentially 3 cutting foils on there. And again, this is all waterproof. If you push this right there, you can open this up and you could clean the hairs out of this so that you can get a clean shave each time. And you can put a little oil in there also. So I'm impressed with quality right off the bat with this. So I'm going to try this and demo it so you see how it works. First, I'm going to thin my beard using this shaver. It's kind of weird doing it in a camera because it's a reverse image. It runs very smooth. You could tell there's not a huge amount of vibration going on, and it's cutting just the right amount of the length. Now I could shorten the length if I want to, and I can trim my side of the hair right here also, and my sideburn right there, and the side of my hair right here. I feel very confident that this is not going to come off. Next thing, I'm going to use this, and I'm going to try and trim right here. I'm going to go and do the rest of my face with this on, I'm going to get all the hair off my face, and then I'm going to use the other foil shaver to get the final smooth cut. But this works really well. It's cutting it quite easily. So I want to point out that I just was able to trim, and it's very smooth already in my face. This thing really extends out quite easily so that you can reach all the areas of your face. I'm impressed with that. Now we're going to finish it off with the foil shaver, and what that's going to do is that's going to make my face significantly smoother. You can hear it going. I'll finish in a little bit, but it works really well, and my wife's going to love it because it's very, very smooth, makes your skin smooth. The foil shaver is very easy to charge. You can use any USB-C, 1 amp or greater. You can use the included cable that they provided to your own adapter, or any other one like I've got right here. See, it starts glowing red right there, which looks really high-tech, and then it has a little display letting you show that it is charging. And the other two chargers have this custom adapter piece. So I've got the other USB-A plugged in, and it's got that real cool display on there letting you know that it is charging. So after testing all three of these shavers and this kit, what do I think about the Novah Professional Men's Cordless Rechargeable Barber Clippers and Trimmer with that foil shaver? This is an excellent product. This thing worked really well. I can see why it was tested by barbers. They want something that's durable and rugged, balanced feeling, and it's going to have those 2 modes on there and that metal locking offset on here, which means that you're going to feel really confident shaving your beard or your hair or somebody else's beard or their hair. I'm impressed with the quality of this whole kit. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.